Official Cursor plugins for popular developer tools, frameworks, and SaaS products. Each plugin is a standalone directory at the repository root with its own Cursor plugin manifest. Plugins. The first plugin is called Continual Learning. The plugin is from Cursor and falls under the Developer Tools category. The description says it provides incremental transcript-driven memory updates for agents MD using high signal bullet points only. The second plugin is called Cursor Team Kit. It is also from Cursor and belongs to the Developer Tools category. It enables internal team workflows used by Cursor developers for continuous integration, code review, shipping, local automation, and verification. The third plugin is Thermos. It comes from Cursor and is in the Developer Tools category. Thermos offers thermonuclear branch review, deep security and correctness audits, harsh code quality rubrics, parallel sub-agents, Thermos orchestration, and optional merge pull request flows. Next is Create Plugin. This Cursor plugin is in the Developer Tools category and helps scaffold and validate new Cursor plugins. Following that is Agent Compatibility. It is a Cursor plugin in the Developer Tools category that performs CLI-backed repository compatibility scans and provides Cursor agents that audit startup, validation, and documentation against reality. Then there is CLI for agents. This Cursor plugin, also in the Developer Tools category, offers patterns for designing command line interfaces that coding agents can run reliably. It covers flags, help with examples, pipelines, errors, idempotency, and inherent functionality. Next you will find PR Review Canvas. This Cursor plugin falls under Developer Tools and renders pull request diffs as interactive Cursor canvases. The canvases are organized for reviewer comprehension, grouping changes by importance, separating boilerplate from core logic, and highlighting tricky or unexpected code. Docs Canvas is another Cursor Developer Tools plugin. It renders documentation, such as architecture notes, API references, runbooks, and code-base walkthroughs, as a navigable Cursor canvas with sections, a table of contents, diagrams, and cross-references. The Cursor SDK is also a Cursor Developer Tools plugin. It lets users build apps, scripts, continuous integration pipelines, and automations on top of the Cursor TypeScript SDK. The SDK includes runtime selection, authentication, streaming, a multi-cloud platform, error handling, and read-extend integration patterns. Orchestrate is a Cursor Developer Tools plugin that fans large tasks out across parallel Cursor cloud agents. It uses planners, workers, verifiers, and structured handoffs to manage workload distribution. Finally, there's Stack. This plugin, developed by Lauren Tan, is also categorized under Developer Tools. Stack helps you write less code while producing higher quality results. It offers rigorous agent workflows that you can parallelize with confidence, encouraging fast yet thorough development. Author values match each plugin's plugin and author name. Cursor lists the email plugins at cursor.com in the manifest. Repository structure. This repository is a multi-plugin marketplace. At the root, a Cursor plugin marketplace file lists all plugins, and each plugin has its own manifest. The overall file structure is: the top level contains a Cursor plugin folder with a marketplace file that lists all plugins. Then there are individual plugin directories. Inside each plugin directory there is another Cursor plugin folder that holds the plugin file. Each plugin also has a skills folder containing skill markdown files with parameter, a rules folder for Cursor rules in markdown format, an MCP file that defines MCP server configurations, a README, a changelog, and a license file. License. All of the code is licensed under the MIT license.